What's up guys, it's Matthew from JM Tech, and this is the $25 Redragon Karura keyboard. So first things first, this keyboard features a matte rubbery finish which is extremely pleasant for typing and attracts little to no fingerprints. The keyboard does feature rubber dome switches, which while they aren't mechanical, they have very short travel distance, which makes them pleasing to type on and much better than a regular membrane keyboard. The keyboard features a full-size layout, so you won't have to worry about not having a number pad. It also has a Windows lock key, which is handy for all of you gamers out there. And along the F keys, there are also multimedia keys as long as you are holding the function key. The keyboard features 7 different backlighting colors as well as no backlighting. It has a red strip slightly above the non-detachable wrist rest, which I custom painted white to better match my setup, which was very easy since it's just a line that you have to paint. Backlighting colors include red, green, blue, yellow, teal, purple, and white, as well as no backlighting. And there's also a breathing effect which can be achieved by holding the function key and pressing the backlighting key. And it can also be slowed down or sped up by holding function and minus to slow it down, or function and plus to speed it up. This keyboard bears a lot of resemblance to the Razer Deathstalker. The main difference is not having individual per key backlighting, and the Deathstalker doesn't have this strip across the bottom. And for those of you who are wanting one, here's a quick sound test of what the keyboard sounds like when typing on. So as you can probably tell, the keyboard is almost dead silent, which can be perfect for situations where you're going to be around or in the vicinity of other people when you're typing. So this keyboard brings a lot to the table for only $25. Yes, you can find similarly priced mechanical keyboards, but you'll be missing out on things like a number pad, multicolored backlighting, or integrated media keys. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed my review of the Redragon Karura keyboard. I'll leave links in the description of where you can buy it. Be sure to click the card on the screen now to enter a giveaway to win an Anchor vertical mouse. Anyways guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.